The Ministry of Education is making bold efforts to modernize classrooms across Jamaica through its national ICT in education policy. Now, with more than 400,000 digital learning accounts distributed and hundreds of schools connected to broadband and Wi-Fi, the digital classroom is no longer just a dream. It's here and it's growing.
Yes, tech-based education is here to stay, and so there is funding arrangements to support technology use in schools.
And nowhere is this digital shift more visible than at Lluidas Vale Primary School in St. Catherine. At Lluidas Vale, that support has come in many forms: smart boards, 20 new computers, projectors, and a configuration support from the ministry, with strong backing from past students who have donated an additional 40 computers.
So we are using technology. It has helped. The apps would have helped the students significantly to, as I said, get real-time information, practice more, and it now transform the learning experience to that of fun. So they are having fun and learning at the same time. Math is no longer boring, using just a textbook, but it is providing them with real-life experiences. Technology as well, the math corner, the math kits, right, the manipulatives, right, sent by the ministry would have helped.
On the literacy front, the school uses Jollyphonics and other digital tools.
We have seen students moving at least 1 to 2 reading level, right? And that is very, very encouraging. Now, as it relates to technology, the computer, working with them on the computer and the same gadget, they are now able to download the Jollyphonics and use the app there and go through. So this has enhanced the teaching and learning experience for our children, because they are now able to interface with the material at their leisure at home. At school, we are using as well the computers to help with the students' literacy, teaching literacy, right? And this has helped significantly.
In my classroom, we use laptops, cellular phones, and tablets. Back to when I never had technology, I had some students who were not getting the concepts. Using the technology, I'm able to get some of the students to understand more and get some students to pay more attention, and they're understanding more, as before with it just being abstract. They're able to see the technology bringing the lesson to life.
The results speak for themselves. Students are not just more engaged, they are also performing better.
My grades not using technology were 80s and 70s, and my grades now are 90s and 100.
Without technology, my grades were mostly high 80s, now it's high 90s.
Lesson planning has also evolved. Teachers now use digital resources, games, and apps to keep lessons dynamic.
They are more engaged. When they're playing Kahoot, they're excited, and Kahoot is an online interactive game where they can play. So after finish teaching the lesson, I will give them a Kahoot for them to go on, and they will answer it, so they are more excited.
So it's no longer just talking in a vacuum, or it's no longer detached from their life. Learning has to be connected, and they have to be able to identify with whatever they are seeing in their life. That's how we use the technology. The videos that are used during the teaching and learning session, those are important to help them to see how or what examples are provided for them. So we want to provide them with that experience, and that is what we at Lluidas Vale Primary School is seeking to do. Hence our motto, learning today, leading tomorrow.